Welcome to Poland, a country with deep sailing and boating traditions. Thanks to an extensive access to the sea and numerous inland water reservoirs, we perfectly understand what a sailing passion is. We have it in our blood. The yachts we build are beautiful, unique, and modern. In a year, we produce 22,000 yachts and boats in Poland. Each unit, regardless of its size or purpose, is built with the same passion, determination, and striving for perfection. The highest quality of workmanship and full adjustment to the expectations of customers. This is what distinguishes yachts from Poland. Every day, almost 1,000 companies and over 35,000 designers, engineers, and shipbuilders carry out projects that often win prestigious awards in the sailing world. We build both yachts designed in Poland and for the world's largest companies. We are a real export tycoon. As many as 95% of boats we build are exported to markets around the world. After years of stable growth, the value of Polish exports climbed to the global level, reaching €1.86 billion. Yachts made in Poland sail on all water reservoirs. You'd be surprised how often you pass them in marinas or on the water. These are small fishing boats, agile motorboats, beautiful sailing yachts, huge sailing ships, as well as luxury catamarans and motor mega yachts. Not only the scale of Polish shipyard production is impressive, customers also appreciate a very wide selection of units, as well as an extensive offer of additional equipment and decor. Every customer, regardless of the type of unit, can tailor the order to their individual needs, making the boat unique. Poland, sail with passion.